Relay floors. Ooh, in the hood today, got an ugly one. Already started heavy with a 60. So we're about to go on down to at least a 50. Before I get more out of my papers on this room. It's a 3-bedroom. Oakwood floor with some different type of wood. This looks like a pine. For this repair to get it right here. It's gonna be right here. That's fine. This is over. It's gonna be over. I'm not tear that out. We're gonna go over and see, but it's looking real ugly. Everything in here is ugly. So we gotta get this better than this. We gotta bring them back. We gotta bring them back. Bring the clothes. Grind.